Okay, now in the software we have to take care of units. That is very important. Okay, like whenever we defining any values in material or anything, so there the value part is coming. So we have to make sure the unit system will be remain same everywhere. Okay, if you're changing the units, okay, again and again, so the results value when you calculating the results, it will make you problem in calculation. Okay, so we have to keep that always the unit that we are giving the values we are putting here that should be remain same as always. Okay, so if you're going to use meter, you will use meter. If you're using second unit system like millimeter second time, so you use this one, and if you're using millisecond and other, you'll just use this one. Okay, so we have to use accordingly. So when you're giving value, you have to make sure in which unit system you require. So you have to convert the value into that particular unit system and then only give it. By default, maximum software are at unit system already set it. But when we using other, so we have to do conversion and then we have to put the values, meter or milliseconds and other things we are using.